My name's Rob Lovemore. I'm the joint CEO of Lovemore Bros alongside my partner Bruce Lovemore, my brother. We both diplomaed engineers. I'm a mechanical engineer, Bruce is civil. We were young guys and I'd been in the industry for a brief period and I saw an opportunity in the Durban market.
He called me and he said, listen, this is the idea. Would I be prepared to relocate from Cape Town and come and join him up here?
He didn't even hesitate. I think he literally, we shook hands in 10 minutes and said, let's do this. And we officially started trading in January 1989, which makes us about 30 today.
Based here primarily in KZN, but we're also in Richards Bay and in Johannesburg.
It is a very unusual business. It's a niche part of the mechanical engineering world. You'll be shown an image of a factory producing a motor car, for instance, but not many imagery comes through of the process of establishing that factory. And that's where we are operating. We are operating in that zone from where it's made to its final destination so that it can be a productive machine. Bruce and I are still the sole shareholders of the business. It's fair to say for many years we were an autocratic organization with two bosses, but it's not like that today. We have such a competent young team to actually take this business through its next phase. We are a family business, but not everyone's family obviously. But if you create that culture in your business, they stay. We've got some long-serving members here, and I think if you ask them, that's what they'll say. It's a sense of belonging.
They understand that we are trying to grow them in our business as opposed to utilizing their skills and discarding them thereafter. The selection of the name and the brand of our company actually came about organically more than anything.
And we were bold with it, you know, we stuck it on big. We identified a color, we chose this color, which is actually City Golf Blue.
And then we bought these cranes, they were manufacturer's orange. We started to realize that our color was not only blue, it is blue and orange. There's some amusing stories about trying to find the logo to go with the business.
It wasn't our first logo was a rhino.
We had stolen the KZN Parksport Rhino, but we had to give that back.
And we changed to the blue crane, which was an inspired moment because at the time we didn't even connect the word crane of the bird to the cranes.
You can see on this jersey here that I don't put Lovemore Brothers here anymore. They say, what's that bird? I say, that's Lovemore, and there's a sales that goes on with it. We somehow came upon stuff that we could work with. We have relationships here with people that are 30 years old, as old as this business. You can't put yourself out there in our industry to be something and not deliver.
The market trusted us from a very early stage, and I often wondered, you know, why we went past the opposition so dramatically. And it was trust. We developed trust.
We thoroughly enjoy our sport and exploring this country. We've got 4x4 vehicles. We embrace this environment we're in.
I think it's critical for people in a senior position in a business with high workloads and high stress conditions to take holidays. I think a good break is a recharge.
Use your youth to explore different scenarios. Yes, go to university. Yes, get an education. But yes, go and work with your hands.
Your attention and your focus and your commitment to the process has got to be unrelenting. That's really what determines, in most cases, your odds of succeeding.